guys, it's Sam coming at you with my quarantine tip number 2, which is all natural hair masks. So this is just a list of basically all my favorite all natural hair masks and some of the ingredients that I use to create these. Hopefully you can just create them with anything found in your kitchen. Just see what you have in your pantry, take it all out, take a look, figure out what you want to use, and there you go. Now's the perfect time for this because, you know, I recognize it's kind of difficult to get to the store, go find some nice products, things that you're used to using. So with these, you can just basically use anything you find in the kitchen, just as long as you use an oil of sorts and then something that you can combine with it to help nourish your hair, exfoliate, whatever your personal needs are. So for every mask, I will leave a description in the little box below on how you can make it at home and what your measurements should be. I typically will just mask once a week and that is it. We're good, we're fine, and you'll know for that week what you want to target. Maybe you could try a couple of different masks during this quarantine. This mask I'll be talking to you guys about today is a coconut oil and honey mask. The coconut oil is very moisturizing. If you use it too often, I do find that it can build up on the hair, so just make sure you're using it very minimally. And this mask is best for dry, dehydrated hair. The next mask I'll be showing you guys today is an olive oil and avocado mask. This mask adds shine and it's best for dull hair. The next mask is my favorite, and it is the almond oil and banana mask. You can also substitute almond oil for avocado oil. I do find that it works as an amazing substitution. It's not going to be quite as softening, but it's pretty close. This mask is super softening. It's best for anyone who has pretty stiff, dehydrated hair as well, but if you like something that's really soft, really smooth, easy to run your fingers through, I love this mask. The final 2 masks I'll be talking about are more for your scalp. So the first mask is a coconut milk and honey mask, and I just love this mask so much for itchiness or anyone who has just a dry, flaky scalp. Amazing. And the final mask is a brown sugar and olive oil mask. And make sure when you use this mask to really focus it on your scalp. Get in there and rub the sugar around and stimulate hair growth. This mask is one that I oftentimes do like to add a little bit of peppermint essential oil to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!